Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word meals. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I like to plan my meals for the week ahead of time to ensure I eat healthy and stay on track with my diet. Meals refers to food that is eaten at specific times of the day, typically breakfast, lunch, and dinner, to provide nourishment and satisfy hunger. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.